Welcome to our channel. If your Kindle app isn't syncing or you're experiencing library errors, follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection by opening a web browser or another app to ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Step 2. Force close the Kindle app completely. On iOS, swipe up and close the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, find Kindle, and force stop it. Step 3. Open the Kindle app again and manually sync your library by tapping the three dots menu and selecting Sync or pulling down on your library screen to refresh. Step 4. Update the Kindle app to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Kindle, and install any available updates. Step 5. Log out of your Kindle account within the app, then log back in with your Amazon credentials to refresh your connection. Step 6. Restart your device completely. Power off your smartphone or tablet. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Step 7. Check your Amazon account on the web to ensure the books are actually in your library. Go to Amazon.com, click Content and Devices, and verify your content. Step 8. Delete the Kindle app and reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. This clears any corrupted data and gives you a fresh installation. Step 9. If syncing still fails, contact Amazon Kindle support with details about your device, app version, and the specific error message you're seeing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.